No. So you want to lease a Tesla? Smart move. Whether you're drawn in by the tech, the eco-friendliness, or just the sheer cool factor, a Tesla lease offers an option with less long-term commitment. But the process? It's not exactly self-explanatory. First, decide which Tesla model suits your needs and budget. Model 3, Y, S, or X. Each has its own price point and purpose. For example, the Model 3 starts at around $390 per month for leasing. It's Tesla's budget-friendly entry point, but doesn't skimp on the Tesla experience. Now let's talk about credit. Tesla doesn't play around with bad credit when it comes to leasing. Check your credit score beforehand. 700 or higher is your safest bet. A lower score could mean a higher upfront payment or outright rejection. The next step is configuring your Tesla on the official website. This part's fun. Choose colors, wheels, interior features, and even autopilot options. Just remember, every upgrade nudges your monthly payment up, sometimes dramatically. When you're ready, click Lease. Tesla offers terms of 24 to 36 months. Pro tip, the sweet spot for monthly cost versus flexibility is usually a 36-month lease. Shorter terms often carry higher payments. Don't forget to account for the drive-off amount. This includes the first month's payment, a security deposit, and an acquisition fee, around $1,200. Expect this to total anywhere from $4,500 to $6,500 upfront, depending on your configuration. Tesla doesn't haggle. Nope, that sticker price you see, it's non-negotiable. So save yourself the trouble of trying. On the plus side, the all-digital experience is smooth and stress-free. No salespeople, just you, a computer, and a credit card. Tesla also offers the convenience of at-home delivery in many areas. For an extra fee, often $750, they'll bring the car directly to you. But if you're close to a Tesla showroom, you can skip that cost and pick it up yourself. Here's something most people don't consider: mileage limits. Tesla leases often include just 10,000 miles per year. Extra miles will cost you, usually 25 cents each. If you love road trips, factor this in. It adds up quickly. Maintenance? Almost zero. Tesla vehicles don't need oil changes, and their regenerative braking reduces wear and tear on the pads. But tires? Those aren't covered. You're looking at around $1,000 for new Tesla tires every 25,000 miles. You don't get to keep the car at the end of the lease. Tesla doesn't offer a buyout option. This bothers some people. But leasing isn't about ownership. It's a way to enjoy the latest model and features hassle-free for a few years. If all this feels overwhelming, don't worry. Tesla has leasing specialists you can chat with online. They can answer questions and ensure you're on the right path. But honestly, the website's configuration tools do about 90% of the job for you. To sum it up, leasing a Tesla is modern, straightforward, and undeniably appealing. But the devil's in the details, like mileage caps and upfront costs. The key? Plan ahead, crunch numbers, and embrace the Tesla ecosystem. Trust me, it's worth it.